The elemental measurements on bevel gears typically include single pitch deviation, total cumulative pitch deviation, total runout deviation, tooth form deviation, and tooth thickness deviation. These elemental measurements are performed on individual bevel gears and assess deviations from the gear's design standards, which can impact smooth operation, accuracy, and overall performance. Single pitch deviation measures the variation in spacing between two consecutive teeth on a bevel gear, and total cumulative pitch deviation represents the overall variation in tooth spacing of the entire gear. Total runout deviation quantifies the deviation of bevel gear teeth from perfect rotation relative to the gear's datum axis. Tooth form deviation evaluates how much the actual tooth flank geometry of a bevel gear differs from the theoretical design. Tooth thickness deviation measures the difference between the actual thickness of a bevel gear tooth and its design thickness. The elemental measurements on bevel gears evaluate deviations of various measurement parameters against gear accuracy standards and can be measured using various measurement methods. The selection of a particular method depends on factors such as tolerance requirements, gear size, production volume, available equipment, blank accuracy, and measurement costs. These elemental measurements on bevel gears help identify deviations early, allowing engineers to correct errors and maintain consistent gear quality. Manufacturers or purchasers may measure one or more geometric features to confirm that the bevel gear meets its intended accuracy grade. Measurement methods and documentation procedures are determined by agreement between the manufacturer and purchaser. For applications requiring checks beyond standard guidelines, customized measurement methods are established before gear production. Bevel gear accuracy is assessed by comparing the measured deviations of gear teeth with their theoretical design values to determine how closely the manufactured gear matches its intended geometry.